Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Paula and I received my very first bag from Slay Glam, and if you want to see what I received in it, then keep watching. Came in a bag like this. So we're going to open it up. Oh, it's pink. Looks like it's had a little bit of roughness in the mail. It looks like a little purse. Slay Glam Box. If you haven't already, or you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like makeup box unboxings, tips and tricks about makeup from someone who's not a makeup artist, but just an everyday person just like you, then give me a big thumbs up. Okay, this is my first box from Slay Glam Box. And I did a subscription that was for $64 for 3 months. So let's see what I received in my first box. Cut it open. Okay, make sure I got it all out. Did. It was wrapped in bubble wrap, so it was all good. Taken care of. Let's see. Doesn't look like I have a card. Okay, so no card. I will try to find the prices and let you know exactly what each one of them was, and then the total for it to see if I got a good deal. Okay, the first one is Hello, a face blending brush. And I've been getting quite a few brushes right now. At the first, I really did like getting brushes because I didn't have many, but now I'm getting quite a few of them. So let me put this in a giveaway. It's really, really soft. It wouldn't blend like my highlighter very good, so I'll probably be putting this one in a giveaway. And I'll look it up to see how much it is. Okay, the next one is Appeal gel liner, and Dulce, I'm thinking is the color because I couldn't see anything else on any of it, and I'm thinking it's probably a lip color. Don't know that for sure. Well, it does have a seal on it. Gotta break it to open it. So I'm guessing it is a lip liner. Let's swatch it. Ooh, I do like that it's a gel. It does feel good. I guess it's an eyeliner. A lip liner. It doesn't say. It just says gel liner. Do you know which one it is? If you do, let me know. Drop a comment below and let me know. It's a good neutral color if it is for lips. So, okay, and I'll let you know for sure how much that is. The next is Illuminati Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. The next one is Illuminati Liquid Lip Gloss. It comes in a little tube like this. I'm just having a hard time getting things to focus today. Sorry about that. It's also okay. It looks kind of a neutral, but it's got some sparkles in it. So let's swatch that. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh wow, look at that. It is illuminating, huh? That's where they got that name, Illuminati. Makes me kind of think of naughty too though when I said it, Illuminati. Okay, the next one is Mana Kadar Lash Serum, Luxe Lash Serum. I am not going to open this because I just received my AIA beauty bundle, the American Influencers Awards beauty bundle, and it was all curated by Mana Kadar, and I got this in there, so I'm not going to open it right now. And if you want to check that out, I'll put a link to it right here. But I'll probably use it, but I just don't want to open it up right now and start drying out. So there's another one. I will be able to tell you what that price is once I look back at that. The next one is VIPKid Pro Luxe eyeshadows, highlighters, eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Vacay. Look at that, going to the beach for vacation. Here's the colors, the eyeshadows and the highlighters. There's some pretty colors. And then it opens, it's a tri-fold. It's got the mirror. And I'm not going to take the plastic off or swatch it yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or give it to a giveaway. But they sure are pretty. I'm getting a lot of palettes. And this would be where my husband says, you're getting too many palettes, you're getting too many things. Quit getting all your makeup boxes. But I can't. I want to. I like them. They're fun. They make me feel good. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and I know Manna Kadar is not a cheap item, so I'll let you know for sure how much all these are. And then I'll total them all up and I'll put it up here in the corner. And remember, I did $64 for 3 months. So that's, I mean, I feel like I pretty well got my money's worth in it. What do you think? Have you ever heard of Slay Glam Box? Do you want to try it out? I'll put a link down below. I'm not affiliated with them, and I pay for all of my own makeup boxes. So if you like the Slay Glam unboxing, or if you like any of the makeup unboxings and you just want to see more of them, then give me a big thumbs up. And as always, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thank you. Bye-bye.